Today's top 15 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. VMware licensing changes and their impact on infrastructure modernization. Broadcom's acquisition of VMware in 2023 led to significant changes in licensing models, shifting from perpetual to subscription only and from per socket to per core pricing, with a minimum 16-core requirement per CPU. These changes have prompted IT leaders to reassess their infrastructure strategies. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery is now available in 6 additional AWS regions. AWS Elastic Disaster Recovery is now available in 6 additional regions: Asia-Pacific Bangkok, Asia-Pacific Malaysia, Asia-Pacific New Zealand, Asia-Pacific Taipei, Canada West Calgary, and Mexico Central. This service helps minimize downtime and data loss by providing fast, reliable recovery of on-premises and cloud-based applications. Google Cloud outage exposes hidden single-datacenter dependencies. A Google Cloud outage revealed hidden single-datacenter dependencies in managed services, exposing a gap between guidance and architecture. This highlights a broader issue across hyperscalers, where resilience design may not be obvious from the outside, requiring system administrators to verify failure domains rather than assuming regional architecture guarantees protection. Broadcom Inc. AVGO is avoiding acquisitions in favor of AI organic development. Broadcom Inc. Nasdaq AVGO, one of the 10 best semiconductor stocks to buy according to billionaires, is shifting its focus from acquisitions to organic development in artificial intelligence, AI, growth, citing accelerating AI revenue and insatiable demand for AI infrastructure. Google Cloud's VMware service loses resilience due to a dud update. Google Cloud's VMware engine experienced a service disruption on July 14, affecting network connectivity across multiple regions and causing zonal outages. The issue was attributed to an underlying configuration change that impacted stretched cluster resilience, with storage and compute services unaffected but virtual server access blocked. Critical security updates released for Chrome, Firefox, Adobe, and VMware. Google released Chrome version 1500.787.1124.125 to address 15 security issues, including 2 critical use-after-free bugs that could enable remote attackers to execute arbitrary code via specially crafted HTML pages. The updates are being deployed across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux platforms. Zimbra patched a flaw that let hackers hijack accounts just by sending an email. Zimbra has released a patch to fix a stored cross-site scripting (XSS) vulnerability in its classic web client, which could allow hackers to run script-based malware on users' machines by sending specially crafted emails. The flaw, rated as low risk, can compromise session data, mailbox information, or account settings if not updated promptly. A failed Bell Labs OS called Plan 9 is hiding inside everything you use. Plan 9, a failed operating system developed by Bell Labs, has left a lasting legacy in modern software, with its ideas about file systems, networks, and namespaces influencing Unicode's UTF-8 standard and appearing in Linux, virtualization, and WSL. Despite its commercial failure, Plan 9's concepts remain surprisingly modern. Security updates available for Adobe, Chrome, Firefox, VMware, and Zoom. Adobe released security updates for ColdFusion, Magento Open Source, and Experience Manager, addressing multiple critical flaws that could lead to arbitrary code execution. The updates are available on Adobe's pages. Google patched 15 security flaws in Chrome, including 2 critical use-after-free bugs in Ozone, with fixes available in Chrome 1500.787.1124.125, depending on platform. 3 high-growth dividend stocks to buy in July. Visa's quarterly dividend has more than doubled since 2020, reaching 67 cents from 30 cents, with analysts expecting a price of $401 against the current price of $358. Vento Portable 1.1.16, bootable USB creator, released. Vento Portable 1.1.16, a free and open-source tool for creating bootable USB drives, has been released. The software allows users to create a single drive that can boot multiple IS/WIM/IMG/VHD/X/EFI files, with support for various operating systems and architectures. I won't stop buying Broadcom until it reaches this point. Broadcom, Nasdaq, AVGO, remains undervalued at $387, $6 below its 52-week high, with a target price of $525 and 44 analysts recommending it as a buy. The company's strong Q2 FY 2026 AI semiconductor revenue growth, up 143, has reinforced the author's conviction in the stock, which they continue to purchase. Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, Japanese letter, PROXMOX. Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese 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 letter, PROXMOX, Chinese letter, Chinese letter, Japanese 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 letter, Chinese letter, Chinese letter. Axis, a Japanese company, will host a free online seminar on August 26, 2026, focused on PROXMOX virtualization solutions. The event aims to introduce attendees to efficient management of multiple clusters using PROXMOX Data Center Manager and PROXMOX Backup Server, as well as strategies for backup and cybersecurity. Adobe patches critical Cold Fusion vulnerabilities. Adobe has released security updates for 12 products, addressing 88 vulnerabilities, including 8 critical Cold Fusion bugs that could lead to arbitrary code execution and privilege escalation. The affected products include Cold Fusion 2025 Update 11 and Cold Fusion 2023 Update 22, which should be updated as soon as possible. Google Cloud configuration error breaks VMware engine stretched cluster resilience. A Google Cloud configuration error caused a breakdown in VMware engine stretched cluster resilience, disrupting communication links between zone clusters and witness appliances, leading to potential storage write issues and loss of redundancy. The issue was resolved by rolling back the network configuration, with administrators advised to migrate virtual machines to healthy secondary zones as a mitigation strategy. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.